Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Please share, like and subscribe. Have a look on breaking news. In Nuturia block of Purulia combined agricultural officer inspecting the exhibition area dialogue at Saktodia in order to facilitate under the Farmers Bandh project during the busy time of employees including agricultural officers. At the Dware Government Camp, Bankura Range Joint Agricultural Officer Tapan Kumar Bhandari visited the exhibition area in Nuturia block on Friday. He oversaw the cultivation of various crops of Shivlibari and Gharpanchkot Mauja of Janardhan D Gram Panchayat area of Nuturia block. In this regard, Parimal Burman, Co-Agriculture Officer of Nuturia block, said that today the Joint Agricultural Officer of Bankura Range under the National Food Security Mission Oil Seeds Project rotated and inspected mustard farming in different areas and required the progressive farmers of the area also given advice. He said that at this time the attack of jab, a type of crop damaging kit, pest disrupts crop growth and reduces yields. He suggested to take necessary measures. Block's Agriculture Department officials Parimal Burman said that by applying metacystox, immediate chloropid, ethnic insecticide, it would be possible to protect mustard from the attack of the pest. He was accompanied by regional progressive farmers Krishna Chandra Soren, Lakhiram Soren and others.
Is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
In Asansol, a furniture shop near Kenda Mode in Jamuria police station area caught fire. With these 8 fire engines from Raniganj reached the spot and tried to control the fire. This fire has caused loss of millions of rupees. Local sources said that smoke was seen coming out of the furniture shop around 12:30 p.m. last night. The neighbors then informed the Kenda police and fire brigade. After this, the fire brigade started the fire extinguisher. The fire brigade came and controlled the fire. Shop owner Sanat Sutradhar told that no one stays in the shop at night. I received the news of fire from neighbors last night. By then the shop was half burned. It was said that the fire brigade tried to extinguish the fire, but by then the shop was all ablaze. He said that property worth lakhs has been destroyed in the shop due to fire. According to the primary estimate of firefighters, the cause of the fire is the short circuit. House of BMS at Nav Kajoda, Andal. In Kajoda areas, Nav Kajoda Colliery, a meeting was organized on behalf of BMS with various demands. Present on the occasion as the keynote speaker, President of All India Mines Mazdoor Union Narendra Kumar Singh, in charge of BCCL and ICL, Tapash Ghosh, General Secretary of ISEL Binod Singh, Navi Kajoda Colliery Branch President Udaya Kumar, Secretary Sambhu Nath, Area Safety Committee member Simanto Chatterjee, etc. were present.
ये 4 विषयों को लेकर के आप गहन अध्ययन जब करेंगे तो आपकी परिस्थिति बहुत बुरा होने वाली। पहला नंबर आपको देश स्तरीय की बात करता हूं। आज सरकार कई अच्छे निर्णय भी ले रही है, क्योंकि मैं विपक्ष का नहीं हूं कि सरकार के विपक्ष में आपको कुछ बात कहूं। ऐसा नहीं है। केंद्र की सरकार कुछ ऐसे बहुत अच्छे भी निर्णय लिए, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी निर्णय लिए हैं जो कोयला उद्योग पर और कोयला उद्योग
থেকে ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ রাজনৈতিকের সঙ্গে যুক্ত না থাকার জন্যও আমরা ভারতবর্ষের বুকে 1 নম্বর শ্রমিক সংগঠন হয়ে আছি। নিয়ম হচ্ছে যে রাজনৈতিকের সঙ্গে যুক্ত থাকা যারা শ্রমিক সংগঠন করবে তারা কোনো রাজনৈতিকের ঝান্ডা বা ডান্ডা বইবে না। সেটা একমাত্র যদি ভারতবর্ষের বুকে একমাত্র আছে সেটা তো ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ। আর 1 নম্বর শ্রমিক সংগঠন হওয়ার জন্য ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ শ্রমিকের যখনই তার উপর কোনো অত্যাচার আছে, সে যে সরকারি থাক, সে এনডিএ থাক, ইউপিএ থাক, তখন ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ সব থেকে প্রথম আঘাত করে ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ। আজকের ডেটে সবাই জানে যে ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘ তো বিজেপির সংগঠন। হ্যাঁ, আমরা সঙ্গের আছি।
To repair roads, dustbin and drains, people of the ward number 77 submitted memorandum to Ashok Rudra, member of Administrative Board of Asansol Municipal Corporation. Dignitaries present were Sujit Dubey, Parimal Dubey, Manoj Shaw, Kamlesh Sharma, Anand Sadhu, Prakash Shaw, Sonu Rajak, Chintaharan Mishra, Viku Shaw, etc.
দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এই যে কাজ শুরু হতে গিয়ে কোনো নিজেদের ঝামেলার জন্য কাজগুলো হয় না। কারো ঝামেলা লেগে গেল, কাজগুলো হয়নি। যেমন গতবার কাজ হচ্ছিল নিচে প্লাস্টিক দিয়ে করার জন্য একটা ঝামেলা, পাবলিক করে না ইট বিছিয়ে করতে হবে, তো এই জন্য এখানে কাজটা হয়। কিন্তু কাজ শুরু হয়েছিল, কাজটা যারা কর্পোরেশনে যারা কাজ করতেছিল তারা বিভিন্ন এই সমস্যাগুলো লেখা আছে
কয়েকটা কাজ হয়তো আমরা করছি, ঠিক আছে, মনে পড়লো 3-10-12 মধ্যে কাজ শুরু হয়ে যাবে। আমি দেখে নিচ্ছি আর বাকি যেগুলো আছে কোনটা করা যেতে পারে।
মানে মিনিমাম যেগুলো
বড় কাজ তো হবে না,
বড় কাজ এখন হবে না, মিনিমাম কাজগুলো
এটা রিসিভ করে দেওয়ার জন্য
বড়ভাবে রিসিভ করে দেবে।
তারপরে ব্যাপারী স্কুলের সামনে এত নর্দমা, মিঠাই গলি, সমস্ত দূরপাড়া কাঁচড়াগুলো স্কুলের সামনে এসে।
Blood donation camp at Burnpur. A blood donation camp was organized on Thursday by the Sai Dham Committee Trust in Burnpur. The camp was jointly inaugurated by Congress District Executive President Harjeet Singh, Paran Purush Dhar and Prem Singh of the blood donation movement. A total of 20 people donated blood in this camp. Harjeet Singh said that commendable work has been done by organizing blood donation. There is no greater social function than blood donation. Asansol will be interrupted for 2 days, power supply for 5 hours. There will be no electricity for 5 hours in these 2 days. Due to the maintenance work done by the State Electricity Department WBSEDCL, the electricity supply will be cut on January 9 and 10. There will be power cut for 5 to 5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. There will be no electricity from 8 to 1 in the morning. Miking was carried out in the entire Asansol city by the power department. Official sources of the electricity department said that maintenance work will be done by the electricity department on Saturday and Sunday. Due to this, power cut will be done. A 600-bed corona hospital has been built this year amid the challenging of the global pandemic coronavirus at the world-famous annual Ganga Sagar Mela 2021 to be held in West Bengal. In addition, a safe house has also been provided with the facility of 615 beds. This time, the Ganga Sagar Mela is a bit challenging from every time. This is the reason that the South Chobis Parganas district administration is very cautious about corona management. The administration at the Ganga Sagar Mela ground will be completely prompt so that no devotee will face any kind of inconvenience. Covaxin vaccination practice or dry run was conducted on Friday in West Burdwan district. 3 places in the district have been selected for this vaccination exercise. The 3 locations are Asansol District Hospital, Dhatka in Asansol, and Lodoha PHC or Block Primary Health Center in Durgapur. A portion of the outskirt of the old building of Asansol District Hospital has been identified as COVID vaccination co-vaccine area. Officials of the health department, including the nodal officer of COVID vaccination of West Burdwan District Health Department, came there at around 11 am today. Superintendent of Asansol District Hospital Dr. Nikhil Chandra Das and other assistant superintendents and staff were present. Several health workers designated by district hospital officials have been selected as volunteers for today. Nurses have also been vaccinated. Many doctors have also been hired for this. On this day, everyone is taught everything by hand through dry run. When the vaccination process begins, the entire process goes smoothly. In this context, DMCHO or DIO Swapna Biswas started that dry run is being done at 3 places for vaccination in the district. On this day, dry run is going on at all 3 places. According to the guidelines given by the health departments of the central and state government, dry run has been done on the day. According to the health department, about 1500 names from the district have already been registered for vaccination. They are all associated with the Department of Health. These include doctors, nurses, and health workers. All their information has been taken. Kulti, the date of Dware Sarkar camp has been changed in Kulti zone of Asansol Municipal Corporation under Bilti number 9 and 10 of Kulti. Dware Sarkar camps to be held on January 27 and 28th will now be held on January 15th and 16th ahead of time. According to the directive issued by the Secretary of the Municipal Corporation on January 27, Camp 100, 101 and 102 of Boro 9, Camp Sodhpur 9 and 10 number Pitt High School, Camp number 67, 68, 69 in Camp Zarava Devi Girls School and Camp Saktodia of Ward 103, 104, 105 was to be in SC institution, which will now take place in January 15 instead of January 27. There will be a camp on January 28th on January 16. On 28 January, Camp 17, 63, 65, 66, 70 of Boro 10 was to be held at Camp Kendua Boys High School, Camp 62, 64, 71, 72 in Camp Kulti Boys High School. It will now be held on 16 January. Asansol blanket distribution was distributed among the 200 needy by the Trinamool Congress in Banglapada, 40 Unit 5 located at 14 number ward of Asansol Municipal Corporation. On this occasion, Chief Guest Asansol North Block 2 Trinamool Congress President Utpal Sinha said that Trinamool Congress is associated with politics and social work. Blanket distribution was done to avoid cold among the needy people of Banglapada. On this occasion, blankets were distributed to the needy at the hands of Utpal Sinha. Former Councillor Narendra Murmu, Block 2 General Secretaries Sunil Thakur, Ujjwal Banerjee, Deepak Singh, Deena Mandal, Raja Tiwari, Nirmal Sonar, Om Prakash Mandal, Kunal Singh, Samj Sevi Prakash Bhuiya were present on the occasion. Asansol, the BJP office was inaugurated by the BJP Mandal 2 President Sudeep Chaudhary by cutting the lace in Sri Ram Dharmsala campus located at number 44 ward of Asansol Municipal Corporation. Addressing the program on the occasion, Sudeep Chaudhary said that having an office in the ward will help in serving the general public. The general public will come to the office and tell their problems and BJP workers will solve their problems. Having office will facilitate BJP's programs. On this occasion, 2 people from the ward joined BJP. Sudeep Chaudhary included both of them in the party by holding the BJP flag. National Executive Committee member of OBC Morcha Sankar Chaudhary, District Secretary Madan Mohan Chaube, OBC Morcha District President Bhrigu Thakur, BJP Mandal 2 General Secretary Deepak Das, Shiv Prasad Varman, Rakesh Sharma and others were present on the occasion. Asansol, 8 January. Attack on CPM movement. Break leader's hand. TMC accusation. Police cordon. Raniganj Police Station in Asansol on Friday. There was a program to give CPM memorandum in Roti Bati Gram Panchayat of Raniganj block. Accusations of attacking that program have been levelled against the miscreants taken shelter by the Trinamool Congress TMC. Following the incident, CPM activists and supporters protested and surrounded Nimcha Police Tadi of Raniganj. Later in the afternoon, the CPM surrounded the Raniganj police station and staged a protest. It was headed by Raniganj CPM MLA Ranu Dutt and CPM District Secretary Gauranga Chattopadhyay. However, TMC has denied any involvement in the attack. CPM activists complained that a memorandum was submitted to the Rotibati Gram Panchayat on the same day regarding several demands related to the services of the Panchayat. They were returning from there. During this return, the miscreants launched this attack. He further alleged that the attack was led by Trinamool Congress leader Satyam Bauri. Devidas Bandyopadhyay, the leader of the CPM trade union, was seriously injured by the miscreants. His left hand was broken. Women leader Shilpi Das was harassed. Today, at the initiative of West Burdwan District Congress, Sarada Narda investigation was immediately completed and the real culprits were punished and the deceived people were given back their money. To express solidarity with the protesting farmers at Delhi fighting against injustice, protest against Agriculture Bill 2020 near Bhagat Singh Statue Punjabi Mode Raniganj. 9th January 2021, Saturday 11 am to 1 pm, organized by Gurudwara Sri Guru Singh Sabha Raniganj. In the end, SMS of the moment. You will teach them to fly, but they will not fly your flight. You will teach them to dream, but they will not dream your dream. You will teach them to live, but they will not live your life. Nevertheless, in every flight, in every life, in every dream, the print of the way you taught them will remain.